So today, let's try out this Threads app. So make sure you go to your Play Store or App Store and install Threads. It will say it's an Instagram app. Go ahead and click open once you've installed it. It brings you to a page like this that says login request. We send a notification to the trusted devices on this account to help you log in. If you're already logged in on another device, you can open the Instagram app to approve this request. So let's go to Instagram. On Instagram, go ahead and click on the hamburger menu in the upper right hand corner and then click on Threads. Threads will bring you to this fancy little marquee, I guess you could call it, where it has your username, the date, the time, and then it gives you some type of identification number, I'm assuming. So go ahead and then click on Get Threads. So actually what you're going to do next is go to your Threads app on your mobile device. Click on the Threads app icon. After you've clicked on the Threads icon, what it actually did was it asked me to try another way to log in. So if you get that message, go ahead and click on try another way, and you can get it to send you a code to your phone if it's not working through the Instagram app. And then you can go ahead and set up your profile, or you can import your profile from Instagram, which is what I'm going to do. If you don't want to import from Instagram, it'll automatically pull your name in from Instagram, but go ahead and click on bio, fill out your bio information, click on the check mark in the upper right hand corner, click on link, add link, whatever your website address is, and then click on the check mark in the upper right hand corner. But as I stated, I'm just going to go ahead and click on import from Instagram. Oh, and one more thing, your profile photo. If you want to upload a new profile photo, just click on that circle to the right of your name that has the plus sign on it. So I'm going to go ahead again and click on import from Instagram. And as you can see, my bio and my link, one of my links pulled in from Instagram. As you may know, Instagram allows you to have up to 5 links on your profile, and it actually didn't pull in my main link. So I need to change that at some point. But for now, what we're going to do is go ahead and click continue, and then it'll bring you to a privacy page, and it will give you the option to make your Threads profile public or private. It says that your privacy can be different on Threads and Instagram. So if you want to choose it to be private profile on Threads and a public profile on Instagram, you can do that. But I'm going to go ahead and do a public profile and click continue. Next, it will ask you if you want to follow the same account you follow on Instagram. So I could say follow all if I want to, and I don't want to do that just yet. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the arrow in the upper right hand corner, just because I want to see who's on the app that I don't know and what's there before I follow all the people that I follow on Instagram. So I'm clicking the upper right hand arrow, and then it tells you how Threads works. So it says Threads is powered by Instagram. It states that it is part of the Instagram platform and that they use Threads and Instagram information to personalize ads and other experiences across Threads and Instagram. And then it talks about the Fediverse. It says the future versions of Threads will work with Fediverse, a new type of social media network that allows people to follow and interact with each other on different platforms like Mastodon. And then it goes on to talk about your data. By joining Threads, you agree to the meta terms and Threads supplemental terms and acknowledge you have read the meta privacy policy and Threads supplemental privacy policy. Now, like many people, I'm not going to click to read all of the policies, but I do highly suggest that you do, especially since it's Facebook, and I know that they do some things that you may or may not agree with. So if you'd like, you can go ahead and click on Meta Terms, the Thread Supplemental Terms, the Meta Privacy Policy, and Thread Supplemental Privacy Policy. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and just click Join Threads. It's going to ask you if you want to allow Threads to send you notifications. Right now, I'm going to say yes. I may turn them off later because, notifications are a bit distracting. And so then this brings me into my Threads account. So as you can see at the top, I've got something from Shaquille O'Neal, Complex, Moseri. So these are people that are on here currently. So of course it's basically celebrities, restaurants, Mr. Beast, Gary V, all the big name people are on there. So real quick, I just tapped on the icon of the little person in the bottom right hand corner, and you'll see it looks similar to Instagram. It says I have 0 followers. It asks if I want to edit my profile here, share my profile. If I've created any threads, they would show up here. If I reply, I guess the replies would show up on under the replies tab in the upper right hand corner. I'm going to call it a semi hamburger menu, the 2 lines in the upper right hand corner. Go ahead and click on those, and then it brings you to follow and invite friends. So this is really a lot like Instagram. So I'm going to go ahead and click on follow and invite friends. And then it asks if I want to follow accounts from Instagram, invite friends from SMS or text message, invite friends by email, or invite friends by, I believe the last one is going to be uploading your contacts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on follow accounts from Instagram. And again, it asks you, do you want to follow the same accounts you follow on Instagram? And I'm going to go ahead and click on follow all. If you want to and you don't want to follow all, you can just scroll through and just tap follow, 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 follow. So I'm going to go ahead and click on follow all. It says follow all. You'll start following those who are public on Threads, and a request will be sent to those who are private. You'll automatically follow others when they join Threads. So if the people already have downloaded the Threads app and are on Threads, it will automatically follow those people. If they have not done so yet, once they download the app, they will automatically have you follow them. If their account is private, they're going to be sent a message that Ramona wants to follow them. So I'm going to go ahead and click confirm. And it says updating. It might take a minute to see your changes. And you'll see the little circle spinning at the bottom. And then, so now that I'm done that, I'm going to hit the back left arrow. And then, if you want, and I suggest that you do, and I'm going to do this, but I'm not going to do it in this video, you can go ahead and click on notifications, tell it what notifications you want to receive, change your privacy settings if you want, go into your account settings, change your language, and if you need help, there's a help button and an about button. I'm not going to do any of that right now. I'll do that later. I'm going to hit the back arrow again, and I'm just going to go ahead and click on edit profile just to see if I can put my website address there instead of that link. So when I hit edit profile, it brings me to my profile. You have the option to make your profile private, but I want to click on this link and actually put my website address in here since it didn't pull in all of my links from Instagram. Once I've done that, I'm going to hit the check mark in the upper right hand corner, and then I'm going to click done. Once I've hit done, it brings me back to my profile, and then you'll see the other icons. So you see the world in the upper left hand corner. Let's go ahead and click on that to see what that is. This brings you to your privacy settings, where again you can make your profile private. You can look at mentions or see who you've muted. You can look at words that you've hidden, profiles you follow. If you click on that, you'll see that it will have people that you're following, and then people who are following me. So it's only one person so far. And then click on pending, so that'll be all these other people. So basically, no one that I know has really, or that I was following, has really downloaded this Thread app yet, except for this Nate person. So I'm going to hit the X here, and then it gives you other privacy settings, and it'll show you who you've blocked and ask you if you want to hide likes. I'm going to hit the back arrow again. And then you see the Instagram icon above my face. You can click on that, and I'm pretty sure this is just going to take you back to Instagram. Yeah, so it took me to my Instagram profile. At the bottom, looks basically the same as Instagram. You can go to home so you can see what other people are posting. And again, Shack and Complex always come to the top. I guess they're the busiest on here at the moment. And it has a search icon just like Instagram. And when I hit search, it just brings up a bunch of profiles asking me if I want to follow them. If I wanted to search, I could go ahead and search someone. Just to be funny, I'm going to do Elon Musk, see if he comes up on Threads. I highly doubt it. Oh, it looks like a bunch of Elon Musk parody accounts. Let me do Mark Zuckerberg and see. Zuck is on here, so you can follow Mark Zuckerberg if you want it. So that's how you search. So the heart takes you to activity. So this activity is showing people who have sent me follow requests. These are some people that I know. So I will go through here later and confirm some of these and hide others if I don't know who they are. Then you can look at the activities under replies. You'll see no replies, no mentions because no one knows I'm here yet, and then verified. So 3 people are verified who have sent me follow requests. And so I'm just curious as to how you get verified on Threads, whether you have to pay like on Twitter now. I have a verified account there because of all the features that you don't have if you're not verified. So I actually do pay on Twitter. So I would like to see if you pay on Threads, what you get for that. And you don't have to do that. I do that because I am a social media manager and trainer. So I need to know what's going on. So now I'm going to click on the icon in the center with the pen or pencil. And then this is where I can start creating my threads. I'm not going to create a thread right now, but it basically looks like Twitter. So once you click on the pencil, you can start your thread. You can go ahead and create the text for the thread. If you want to add a picture or a photo, you click on that paper clip under your text, and then it will ask you to allow Threads to access your photos and videos on this device. And then once you allow it, you'll be able to post a photo with your threaded text. At the bottom, it looks real simple. It says anyone can reply and post. So you can go ahead and click post. I'm going to tap on anyone can reply to see if it will allow me to change that. So I did, and it says anyone, profiles you follow, or people who are mentioned only. So you can actually keep this kind of private if you want to by selecting who can reply to this thread. So I hope you found this video helpful. I just wanted to play around with Threads today. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel.